Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we are going to discuss Principles of Programming using C, BTU Model Question Paper 2024 Set 1 Solution. Question number 4a. Develop a simple calculated program in C language to do the simple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Use switch statement in your program. So here we have to write a C program to perform the simple calculator operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using switch statement. This is an 8-mark question. Okay, write the C program and provide with output. Okay, so here first step is in writing a C program, first we need to enter the header files. So here we have included two header files, stdio.h standard input output function, stdlib.h. This is the standard library function. Okay, and next is the main function. This main function represents the start of the C program, and here only within the main function only all the executable statements you have to write it. Okay, and then the next part is the local declaration section. Declare whatever the variables it is required. Here character, choice and int x and y. So this choice is the variable which hold the special operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What is the choice you are going to enter? Accordingly, it will perform the operation. And int x and y. Here we have declared x and y as integer variable. Here, why we are using x and y in this sense? So to perform all these operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we need two operands. Okay, left side operand and right side operand. It is a binary operator. Okay, so here if you want to perform addition in the sense, it is x plus y. Subtraction, x minus y. Multiplication, x into y. Division in the sense, x divided by y. So here every arithmetic operation we want to perform in the sense, here we need two operands. So two operands we need to provide as a input here. Okay. So to store with two inputs, we are declaring two variables x and y. Okay. Both will hold two values, integer values. Okay. Next step. Enter the two numbers. That is x and y operand. We need input to perform these operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we need to enter two values. User has to provide this as input. Okay, and since this is a integer variable, format specifier is %d and ampersand x and ampersand y. This ampersand represents the address operator, and here this %d corresponds to x variable, this %d corresponds to y variable, and this address operator represents the variable value will be stored with the specific memory location. So to retrieve that address, we will use address operator. Next, we need to enter the operator. See, we have accepted two operands as input. Next step is, what is the operation you are going to perform? That operator you need to enter. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication and slash for division. So which operator you are entering, that will be stored with the variable choice. Choice is a character variable. Since this is a special operator, we have used character variable. And the format specifier for character variable is %c. Okay, so here it will accept the choice variable. That is, what is the operation you are going to perform, and that will be passed with the switch statement. Switch, this is the expression. So this expression will hold any one of these four characters: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So once you have entered choice variable, suppose if I have entered choice variable is plus in the sense, switch plus it will take it. Okay. Next, what are all the case statements it is required? We have to enter here. That is, if it wants to perform addition, that is a separate case statement. Subtraction is a separate case statement. Multiplication is a separate case statement. Similarly, division is a separate case statement. Okay. So what is the choice you are entering? Accordingly, it will select and execute that particular case statement block, and then it will exit from the switch statement. Okay, so now case plus, this is for addition. Suppose if the choice variable is plus in the sense, what it has to perform? It has to perform addition. That is, x value and y value will be added and the result will be displayed in the output screen. This %d will hold for x variable, this is for y variable, and this is for result, that is its sum. Okay, so both you will add it, display in the output screen, and then break. Suppose if the choice if you have entered is minus in the sense, you have to perform subtraction operation. Okay, what is the statement we have to include? Printf percentage d minus percentage d. So this will hold for x, this will hold for y, x minus y, and what is the result you will get it. Okay, so this will hold x variable, this is for y variable, and this is for x minus y result. Okay, it will be printed in the output screen, then it will break. And then third case is multiplication. If it is multiplication, both you will multiply x into y, you will multiply, and the result will be displayed. And then after displaying the result, break. Next is division. If it is a slash operator in the sense, you have to perform division operation. X divided by y you have to perform, display the result in the output screen, and then break. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All four choices you have entered here in the case statement, and corresponding block statement also you have specified. Okay, suppose if you have entered the operator as a different operator apart from addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, if you have entered some other different operator, any other special operator in the sense, in that case what it has to do, it will check here, this case statement will fail, this case statement, for example modulus I am entering. Okay, so here it will check here, this case statement will fail, here it will fail, and here it will fail, here it will fail. All the four case statements, it will compare the specific operator, it fails. Only when it matches with this specific operator, only in that case only the corresponding statements will execute. Otherwise, it won't execute the corresponding statement. Okay, so if it is apart from this addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operator in the sense, in that case, by default, go to default statement. So in switch, all the case alternatives you have to specify. At the end, you have to specify the default statement. So what is the purpose of this default statement in the sense? If all these case alternative fails in the sense, directly go to default statement and execute what is specified in the default statement. So in the default statement, here we have specified invalid operator. If plus, minus, star and slash is there in the sense, perform the operation accordingly. Any other operator in the sense, display in the output screen as invalid operator. Then break. Now the switch statement will end here. This is the start of the switch statement. This is the end of the switch statement. Okay, and then return 0. Now control goes out of the main function. That is, control will be transferred to the operating system and the program comes to an end. This is the start of the main function and this is the end of the main function. Okay, so here if the operator is any of these four in the sense, if it is addition in the sense, it will perform addition and that will be displayed in the output screen. Subtraction in the sense, it will perform subtraction, that will be displayed. Multiplication in the sense, perform multiplication and display the output. Division in the sense, perform division and display the output. Any one of the case statement at a time, it will be true. Here you are going to input only one single operator. Okay, only that specific operation it will perform during execution. Only that specific operation it will perform, it will display the result and then it will exit. Suppose if any of these four case alternatives is not there in the sense, that is operator entered here is a different operator in the sense, in that case it will display invalid operator. It will directly go to default statement and it will display invalid operator and it will press. So this is the simple calculator program. For example, output if we are considering in the sense, how it will be displayed in the output screen in the sense, first this printf statement will execute, that is enter the two numbers. Okay, so here you need to input x and y. Suppose here I am entering x value is 5 and y value is 4. Okay, then printf enter the operator. So here enter the operator plus, minus, star, slash. Only these four operators is valid operator. Okay, and here you have to enter the operator. Suppose if I am entering minus in the sense, directly this variable will hold minus and in this switch statement here it will hold minus and this minus operator will be compared with this case statement. This fails, it will go here. Here the condition is true, that is this choice operator is matched with this case statement. So here It will display like 5 for this percentage d x variable it will hold 5 minus for this percentage d y variable 5 minus 4 is equal to the result x minus y it will hold here. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1 you will get. This is the output it will display in the output screen. Suppose if the operator you have entered is plus in the sense the choice, the first choice it will be matched. So here it will display 5 plus 4, 9 you will get it. If it is multiplication in the sense 5 into 4, division in the sense 5 slash 4. Okay. Likewise the operation it will perform, and this is the output you will get it in the output screen. So at a time only one case statement it will execute. Okay. So this is the logic of this switch statement for a simple calculator program. Thank you for watching this video.